look at this beautiful cabin. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at this. Huge 8-foot porch. Absolutely massive. Look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Look at that porch. Huge porch. Let's take you inside here. As you can see, the porch is on a hinge system, so that's going to fold down for transportation. And all these railings are going to be taken out so we can transport this all over the country. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this craftsmanship, guys. Look at the craftsmanship. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, my goodness. Look at those stairs, guys. Wow. Wow. Talk about the dream cabin, right? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Got a spot under here for your doggy. I love my dog, little dog bone mat. Isn't that cute? No space is wasted here, guys. No space is wasted. Over here, okay, this will go, we put a back porch on here if you want. Let's open this up and see. Got a little back porch on it. Turn around, look at that. Got your cabinets, washer and dryer hookups right over here. Got your 200 amp electric already ready to roll. Got your electric ready to go there. Okay. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, that would put it to work.
And over here you got a bathroom. We don't have it wired up, but you can see here. Okay, oh, got some electric. We do have it wired up. Perfect. There you go. So there's a, there you go. We got a little closet here. There you go. Isn't that cool? Isn't that beautiful? Look at the quality. Look at the craftsmanship, guys. Look at the quality and look at the craftsmanship. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Again, look at this. Look at these views, guys. Look at these views. Look at these views. Isn't that beautiful? Amish built furniture. Isn't that beautiful? All kinds of natural light coming in. Okay. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those steps. Let's go up here and give you another view. Up here, look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow. Give me a call today, guys. Let's get you one of these beautiful Amish built cabins on your land. Give us a call. These are just beautiful. You go through this door up here in the lofted area, and this one has not been finished yet, but it can be. And as you can see, it's already wired for a bathroom up here as well. So this is one that we're building for a customer, and they wanted a bathroom upstairs, and the Amish have figured out a way to get it all plumbed so it can accommodate a bathroom up here. And we're going to finish this out. You see they got the mini split. They ordered some Amish made furniture, another mini split on this side. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, guys? This one's heading out to a customer. So fully insulated, see all the insulation up there, fully insulated and built up to code for your state. Again, we have figured out a way now to Get the bathroom up on the second floor as well. So just a beautiful home, guys. Just a beautiful home. Look at that. Just a beautiful home.